Hello friends! Now we have learned all letter sounds. So today we will learn how to read two-letter words.
Welcome to our channel Kids Preschool Learner, where learning is fun.
Letter A. What's the sound of letter A? Letter A makes sound A. A. This is letter M. Letter M makes sound mm. Mm. When these two letters come together, they make sound am. 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 Letter A makes sound A. What's the sound of letter N? Sound of letter N is mm. Mm. When these two letters come together, they make sound an. 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 Letter A makes sound A, and letter S makes sound S. When these two letters come together, they make sound as. 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 Letter A makes sound A. Now tell me, what's the sound of letter T? T. When these two letters come together, they make sound at. 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 Thank you for watching the video.
If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates. Thank you.